Euler Turb EV1000 arrives in Namma Bengaluru. Euler Motors launches Warret's Finite 2-ton electric mini truck. Engineered for the city's demanding Ingersoll Y70 to 200 and doing drivers, the vehicle Salus Certifla 17 PM 240 to 200 am. Bengaluru, 13 October 2025. Euler Motors, a leader in the electric.commerce, announced the launch of Euler Turb EV1000 for Bengaluru. The vehicle's engineered specifically for drivers and businesses who need truck that can handle the city's traffic, carry heavy loads, and save on daily running courses. From DAM, the Turbo EV1000, the Wies Mount of Osto 1.25 compared to diesel counterparts. The EO Tour East 2000 suffered unmatched performance and higher fuel, making game changer too. Bemplans, our commercial vehicle segment, has traditionally been blessed by Druze for its strong pickup, payload capacity, performance, and as reality weaver. The S logistics landscape is evering rapidly. Delhi intracity runs typically range between 70 to 100 meters. Operators are increasing boxing for editions that deliver the same trusted perf, sparating costs and greater efficiency. This creates a strong opportunity. F1000 is per pass, but to meet these expectations, offering the GASNE certified Tanne Pales and a real-world range of 100 to 200 kilometers, Bengaluru's average ally trips with CCS fast charging that them is 50 launch in just 18 minutes. Turbo Metax drivers reduce downtime and complete more tips, purging power. Practical automotive to lace for the city's performance in the segment. 140 Turbo EV2000 rugged build quality, including a 25mm ladder frame, 96 rate Sattari and electronics, and laser word battery modules.
Hello, I am Rohit Gatani. I head vehicle financing at Euler Motors. We are very pleased to announce the launch of Euler Turbo EV1000 in the city of Bengaluru. With this product, we hope to solve a lot of city problems which are there presently throughout the country. Like 42 out of 50 cities are the worst polluted globally in India. So with this product, we are not only offering the pollution factor to reduce the pollution factor, but also in terms of operational efficiency of transporters. This has 1000 kg payload. This has real range from 140 to 180 kilometer real range as well. So all your city transports typically take 70 to 100 kilometer range. So even with 140 and 180 kilometer, they can do multiple shift, increase their earnings as well. And even with 100-120 kilometer running, monthly operational saving for our customers would be from around 10 to 12,000 rupees, which is very important for their livelihood as such. It also comes with CCS2 enabled charging, which you can basically, with this CCS2 enabled charging, you can charge at any location where you can charge your cars as well. So it is a universal charger if you think like that. And then other than payload, we have also improved on our chassis as well. So this vehicle is meant to last for years and years basically, because one of the problems we understood from the market, people think that EVs, they cannot carry load, they are made from plastic frame, etc. So this has a 13% higher thick metal body as such in this case, and our chassis frame is also 2.5 mm, which is around 20% higher than even the ICE. So this vehicle is made to compete with ICE. It is not to make, because from a customer point of view, it is important to match operational efficiency as such. So with this product, I think it is going to win the markets. And if you see the electrification in four-wheeler, which is slightly lagging behind, with this product, and I think we'll be able to match the electrification rate, and we'll soon see electrification in Bengaluru as well. We are launching this vehicle in 3 variants: Turbo City, Turbo Max and Turbo Fast Charge. Turbo City starts at 5.99 lakhs, Turbo Max starts at 7.2 lakhs, and Turbo Fast Charge starts at 8.2 lakhs. And the different of the battery size, the range and the deck length varies from each variant basically. And Yes, so with fast charge variant, you can charge it anywhere. You are able to do multiple shifts as well. And Turbo City and Turbo Max both are meant to service your intracity operations as well.